Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. And mom, you should be happy that I'm using you as my first vlog intro. So today is my mommy's birthday. Today is May 22nd. Happy birthday to the girl. Shout out to the girl. Birthday girl. So guys, we are taking her on a date. Okay, we are not the one. No, we are taking her on a date, but we are not the one paying. I said that we are not the one paying.
On a date without money.
You are sure following our presence.
Don't let me talk.
Mommy, it's me. I'm the owner of the vlog. We are following her.
Should I talk?
Don't talk. We are following her.
You let me talk.
No,
now.
don't talk. We are following her, but we are not the one paying for the date. You understand?
You
so
need to fix my nails.
For birthday girl, we are preparing for wedding. So no, wait, are you fixing your nails for the
wedding? Yes.
This wedding
is on Saturday.
On Saturday. You guys are going. I'm going to be doing a different vlog for the wedding.
From pedicure.
Manicure.
No, my
body,
facial. No, just facial pedicure. Tomorrow.
My sister, when are we going? When are we going for our own?
Myself and my friend.
Can you imagine? Get a best friend like hers. Oh,
okay. Yeah.
My own sister is my best friend. We don't have money together. Yes, we'll flex together. Yes. If we get more money, we say if we go jayo. Bro, we not go do champagne and NSO. We just do
God in the dark.
Exactly. We'll do tight and offering. So guys, I should do intro because I've not been doing intro to my vlogs for how many vlogs past now. So we'll see you in the next clip. Bye.
I know I act like I don't want it. I don't want it.
Àmì o Jésù. Àmì. Àmì. Amen. Àmì. Àmì lórúkọ Jésù.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my
My mommy's nail tech gave us Capri soon. We followed the birthday girl to come and do nails. We got the Capri soon. Abike. Assistant birthday girl. Second assistant birthday girl. Me, I'm the first. Of what? So what now?
The paint is what?
So what now? You're supposed to be eating pink food. Give me chicken. The color of the rice is yellow.
In your camera, you know what? This one is yellow. Hey.
You know what?
Wine. Amen. Thank you, Daddy. Amen, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Ẹ ṣé Daddy, mo dúpẹ́ sir. Ẹ ṣé sir. Mi ò sùn, ìyàwó ọmọ mi, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ṣe ń dá? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀ dá sí?
I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine. Why you keep on asking about my friend, Bo? Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown, ayy.
Hello guys. What's the name of this flower actually?
I don't know the name. It's a weed now.
It's still a flower.
It's not a flower. It's a grass.
Okay, they said this is a grass, so I'm going to give it a name. Should I give you? I'll look for a name for it. So when I figure it out, I'm going to let you guys know. So till then, let's call it a weed, like someone said, a weed. Happy Children's Day to all of you, Kingdom children. Alright, say Happy Children's Day. Say it now. Is who I'm talking to? Say Happy Children's. Say Happy Children's Day. Say Happy Children's Day. Say Happy Children's Day. Oh yeah, say Happy Children's Day. Say it. What's the name, Mama? Say Happy Children's Day. Say Happy Children's Day. Say Happy Children's Day. Say it. Say Happy Children's Day.